Okay, fast focus for April 30th. Number 1, Lillian's cat ate 2/10 kilograms of food yesterday. Her dog ate 2/5 kilograms of food. What is the difference between the amount of food Lillian's cat ate and between what Lillian's cat and dog ate yesterday? So they're wanting to know the difference. Okay, so the cat ate 2/10, then the dog ate 2/5. So we're going to do 2/5 minus 2/10. On this one, it doesn't matter which order you put those in because you are not having to find the difference between the two. You're looking for a difference, but it didn't say how much more did the cat eat than the dog or how much did the dog eat than the cat. Okay, your common denominator is going to be 10. So you're going to make equivalent fraction and then subtract the numerators. Number 2, Christian poured 15 fluid ounces of lemonade into an empty glass. After he drank some of it, 7 45 fluid ounces was left in the glass. How many fluid ounces of lemonade did Christian drink? So they want to know how much Christian drank. So I know he started out with 15 fluid ounces. That's what he poured into the glass. Okay, 15 is a whole number. After he drank some of it, 7 45 fluid ounces was left. 7 is a whole number, so it needs to be under the 15, under the 5. That means the decimal is over on the outside by itself. So that means for the number 15, you have to add a decimal and zeros. Now you can subtract, no problem. Number 3, Julianne, jogged 3.5 miles on Monday, 4 2/3 miles on Tuesday. What's the total distance she jogged? So 3.5 miles on Monday, 4 2/3 miles on Tuesday. So 3 1/2 and 4 2/3. So we're looking for a total, so we're adding. So we're going to find a common denominator between 2 and 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 will be your common denominator. You're going to make equivalent fractions. Then you're going to add the numerators. And you're going to get an improper fraction that you're going to have to taboo. And then after you get that answer, you'll add 4 plus 3 to the answer. Okay? Remember, guys, you can message me for more help. I don't want to give it away completely, but it's like you need to be able to do some of this on your own. Number 4, if Kuan Yin adds 2 25 kilograms of plastic and 2 25 kilograms of paper to the recycling bin, the total mass of the contents of the bin will be 19 and 215 thousandths kilograms. What is the mass of plastic and paper in the bin right now? Okay, so we're wanting to know the mass of the plastic and paper in the bin right now. Okay, so what I know is that he adds 2 25 kilograms of plastic and 2 25 kilograms of paper. The total mass of the contents of the bin, ooh, hear that thunder, will be 19 and 215 thousandths. So this is what it is after he adds what he puts in. So you have to take the two things he adds, and then you're going to have to do something with the two of them. Are you going to add them together, or can you subtract them? So you're needing to find what was this number before he put in those his recycling. Okay, what was it this before he added his recycling? Okay, remember you can message me through Google Classroom, you can text me, you can have your mom send me a dojo, whatever. Just if you need some assistance, just call me, text me, or whatever. When you're finished with all of these papers, I need you to take pictures and send them to me, either through email, through Google Classroom, or through a text, or Dojo, okay? All right. Look for a new packet next week, and it'll be a little bit different next week. We're going to try something different, just kind of have a little more fun with it. Okay? Guys, miss y'all. I know this is not ideal, but it is what it is. Talk to you later.